Sherry from Kuake Technology Limited Company. Today let me introduce one of our unique design electric folding e-bikes for you. This e-bike is especially designed for those urban city commuters and can make your everyday riding more comfortable and convenient. Now let's check parts of the e-bikes. The first part, this e-bike features a powerful 350 watts brushless motor, which allows the max speed to be 23 miles per hour. Also, you can see here is the SHIMANO 7-speed gear. It will give you more choices for different length forms. The second part must be the battery, but where is the battery? This is a hidden seat post, 36 voltage, 10 ampere Samsung battery. See, this seat post is adjustable. Also, you can take it out and charge it at home. Another impressive design is this spare water bottle battery. When you are running out this seat post battery, just take this water bottle battery out and put it here. Then you can get extra power for this e-bike. Next part, let's come to the LCD display. This is a 5-level LCD display. Turn on the display, you can see the battery capacity, mileage, speed. Also, you can control the front and rear LED light by pushing the button here. Last but not least, this e-bike is made of dual 6061 aluminum frame. Also, it is foldable. You can take it everywhere you want. Now let me show you how to fold this e-bike.